And thanks to my friends at Casekoo who were nice enough to send me their Magicstand iPhone 15 Pro Max case. And inside of this box is nothing else in there. You get your case, as well as a little Magicstand pamphlet, and then some cool Casekoo stickers. But you have your black iPhone 15 Pro Max case, little CK logo here on the back, little Casekoo branding there. But other than that, that is it in terms of like logos. Just take your iPhone 15 Pro Max, slide it into here and pop it in place. And now you have a protected iPhone 15 Pro Max. See your volume rockers and button here, speaker grill, USB-C port, power button, camera modules nicely protected, and the best part, the Magicstand. So you can fold this out, you can use it like a ring, so to help like hold your phone, or of course if you're having a FaceTime call, set it up like this, or if you're out at lunch watching a video, you can set it up like that and watch a video, and then fold it out of the way when you're done so that you can just slide your phone back in your pocket and go. That will essentially do it for this iPhone 15 Pro Max Casekoo Magicstand case. And special thanks to our friends at Casekoo who were nice enough to send us their Magicstand iPhone 15 Pro Max case. Inside of this box is, that's it for the box, a very nice blue case, as well as a little information on the Magicstand from Casekoo, some cool stickers that you may want to use, and of course, a nice blue iPhone 15 case. Now this is like a really hard plastic. Has a Casekoo logo here, a little CK logo on the back, but other than that, nice and soft on the inside. Take your iPhone 15 Pro Max, slide it in, pop it into place, and now you have a nice blue case for your iPhone 15 Pro Max. Cut out for the speaker grills, cut out for the USB-C port, your volume rockers, power button. Your camera module is very nicely protected, and the best part is the Magicstand. So you could use this as like a ring to hold your phone if you would like, or of course you can use it to set your phone like this or like this. The choice is yours, but this is a beautiful, very nice Casekoo case for the iPhone 15 Pro Max. And special thanks to my friends at Casekoo who are nice enough to send me this Magicstand iPhone 15 Pro Max case. And inside of this box is nothing else in there. Your case, as well as a little Magicstand pamphlet and info, some cool little Casekoo stickers, and most importantly, a nice green Magicstand case. This is a very strong feeling plastic. You do have a little Casekoo logo there that's kind of engraved but not bright, and then on the back a little CK logo. But other than that, you take your iPhone 15 Pro Max, slide it into your case like so, and now you have a green case to protect your iPhone 15 Pro Max. Volume rockers, power button, speaker grill, as well as USB-C port, and then the best part is the Magicstand, which you can use it to set your phone up like this, or of course like this, and if you needed to, you can use it as like a ring to help hold your phone when maybe you're walking or something like that. And then when you're done, you can just fold it down right out of the way. That'll essentially do it for this Magicstand iPhone 15 Pro Max Casekoo case. And special thanks to our friends at Casekoo who were nice enough to send us this Magicstand iPhone 15 Pro Max case. And inside of this box is nothing else in there, but here is the case. You also get a little bit of information about the Magicstand from Casekoo. You get some pretty cool stickers, and of course you get this Magicstand case. Very, very nice case, nice and sturdy. You have a Casekoo logo here, as well as a little CK Casekoo logo there. You would take your iPhone 15 Pro Max, buttons first, slide in, boom. Your case is on. You got a nice grill for your speakers, nice cutout for your USB-C port, your power buttons, and your action button, and then all of the cutouts for your camera. And the best part is the Magicstand. So this can come in handy for a few things. A lot of people like the rings, so you can use it to help hold your phone so that you don't drop it, or if you go to drop it, you're able to catch it easier. And of course, you can use it as a stand to either set your phone like this, or of course, like this. Now this one looks to be the gray color, a great case, and perfect for somebody who's always using their phone to watch videos. I think these cases are amazing for going to lunch, propping them up, and watching a video. And special thanks to my friends at Casekoo who are nice enough to send me their Magicstand case. Inside of this box is nothing else in there. You got your case, as well as a little Magicstand pamphlet here from Casekoo. Two cool sets of Casekoo stickers. And of course, a very nice, ooh, this one's like a darker blue, almost black case. So you can see a little Casekoo branding here, as well as a CK logo here on the back. But other than that, take your iPhone 15 Pro Max, slide it into the case. Got your power button, volume rocker, your speaker grills, your USB-C port, and then your Magicstand, which you can open this up to use it as like a ring holder to hold your phone, or you can use it to set your phone like this or like this, and then when you're done, you just fold it away. So thanks again to my friends at Casekoo who were nice enough to send me this Magicstand iPhone 15 Pro Max case. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Deuces.